Welcome to 7130 Five Oaks Drive, a desirable end unit in Ashley Park in the small town of Harmony, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse has a unique floor plan with the master bedroom located on the first floor. This home is conveniently located in walking distance to Harmony's town square and our unique tunnel that connects Harmony Middle School and Harmony High School. Hi, I'm Kris Van Der Snel, a 15-year resident of Harmony and a broker associate with the Corcoran Connection. Come on in and see maintenance-free living at its best. One of the main features you'll notice when you walk in is the new floors that flow through the main living area, and the entire unit has just been painted. The formal living room and formal dining room overlook the Harmony Golf Preserve. The kitchen is open to the dining area and the great room and has lots of cabinet space and is great for entertaining. This unit has the master bedroom downstairs with a large walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. Once you head upstairs, you'll notice the beautiful new floors that extend from the hallway into the 2 bedrooms and the loft area. Thanks so much for visiting our listing, and for other great listings in the Harmony, St. Cloud, Lake Nona, and Central Florida, please call us at 321-537-6035 or visit us online at thecorcoranconnection.com.